Hello guys, welcome back to another video. So basically this is gonna be Man City versus Manchester United post-match reaction in the Premier League. The next one is going to be combined reaction on Nottingham Forest versus Arsenal and Aston Villa versus Everton. And then the third video is going to be Bodo Glimt versus Manchester City in the UCL, which is on Tuesday. It's a early kickoff on that day. So yeah, let's begin with this video. So it was a derby match on Saturday, the 17th of January, and yeah, I mean, as I had mentioned in prediction video, Man United go in this game with a new manager, so new tactics, new strategy, which is implemented by Mr. Michael Carrick, and that was very evident in the match against Manchester City. So final result, I predicted score, I had said Man City 2-0, whereas the actual result is Man United 2-0. And yeah, Man United get the victory against the rivals Manchester City. So yeah, I mean, there were three offside goals, 2 shots hit the post, one from Maguire and one from Ahmad, I think. And yeah, 3 offside goals, one from Bruno, one Ahmad and one Mason Mount, at the very end. So yeah, if I talk about Man United, as I said, the strategy was very evident on the field, sorry. You know, they're going for a high ball, high press, and yeah, whenever the opponent you loses the team, at least 3 United players pounce on them and you start a counter attack, which was in this case Bryan Mbeumo, Bruno Fernandes, Patrick Dorgu and Amad Diallo, and then the remaining players came forward from that counter attack. 1 second, just give me 2 minutes. Yeah, so as I was saying, so basically Man United had a new strategy implemented, and yeah, it was very clear on the pitch. Man City were completely lost. Man United dominated first half. As I said, 2 shots on the post, off the woodwork and the post, whatever you want to say. But yeah, and then second half, yeah, nothing to show for Manchester City. It was all Man United entire first half. Second half, maybe a little bit here and there. Man City had 2 chances, one from a Semenyo cross, but Bernardo Silva flicks it over the bar with a header, missed header, sorry. And then the second shot, yeah, came from a corner. Max Allen's header deflected by Diogo Dalot and Sen Lemons, the goalkeeper from Manchester United. So yeah, I mean, nothing to show for Man City in this game. Second half was completely bad. No chances created. Only 2 chances in the first half though. Maybe 1 chance I'll give some credit in the second half. But yeah, other than that, Man City were completely lost in this game. It started off actually with the lineup a bit, because actual lineup was Donnarumma in goal, right back Lewis, Nunes was out due to illness, centre back was Ake and Kusanov and Max Allen, left back was Ake, holding midfielder Rodri, midfield was Bernardo Silva, Foden, and who else was it? One more player, I can't recollect. And yeah, Haaland and Doku, Cherki Reinders on the bench, Mufini on the bench, Livin Mukasa on the bench, Trafford on the bench. So yeah, we didn't have much players that day to play actually. So yeah, I mean, as I said, lineup was a bit poor. Cherki should have started in this game. He came on in second half to show some kind of skills, but yeah, it was not up to the mark. Yeah, so again, City absolutely got destroyed by United, and yeah, I mean, a very bad game from Man City overall. But it's okay. One game doesn't harm us. It's still we're still in the title race for Premier League. Premier League, we still have a lot of matches to go. Meanwhile, Arsenal bottled against Nottingham Forest, and Aston Villa, I would not say bottled, but they lost against Everton yesterday night. So yeah, it's now kind of a, I mean, as I said, title race is on for all the three teams, but more so Arsenal and Man City. Villa are creeping up behind. So is Chelsea. They won 2-0, and so is Liverpool. However, Liverpool bottled against a Burnley draw, 1-1 draw. So yeah, nonetheless, it's just one game. It doesn't affect us. Although we have injuries from that game, Foden injury with the right, he got hurt on his right hand, possibly a fracture, and yeah, so more injuries piled up for Man City, but that doesn't affect us. So yeah, see you in the next video. Nottingham Forest versus Arsenal, and Aston Villa versus Everton.